ya animuja. So one shall be Kanyamia mo ye. The only possible war, a blue tree, Okobasa, London, California.
So what do you guys care for?
This is too hot.
Waiter.
You should be welcome to yourself. What is wrong with you? Don't you have AC? Why is this place too hot?
I'm sorry.
You sorry what? I swim in air condition. I eat in air condition. I dance. I do everything in air condition. You better do.
Air conditioning.
I bath in air condition. Come to my house and see. What is the meaning of this? The place is too hot. What is wrong with you? Ew.
Me, I want Hennessy and Irish cream and vodka.
Wait a minute. Are you going to take it at once?
You know what? We take it gradually in the house, right? You and I, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sure.
me alone. Yes.
It's cheap.
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 Oh.
You know what? My boyfriend is so rich, and you know he wants expensive stuff, and he doesn't want us to take cheap drinks like Hennessy, vodka, Moet, whatever. No. You know what? Give me Calipo, Panache, or Pito.
Abena. Please. A minute.
Hey, Abena Ghana. Life will beat me.
Ghana,